fifth graders, it is testing week, and testing week is when I usually start robots. And our first robot program is going to be Object Avoidance, kind of like a self-driving car. So you don't want your car to hit the car in front of it, and we've got some cars out there now that can stop when they sense something really close in front of it. It's kind of like what we're going to do, but we're going to make it stop, back up, turn, and go a different direction. So hopefully they don't hit anything and they don't hit each other, because I want several robots out there at the same time. So, I lost my picture. There it is. First thing we're going to do is learn how to connect our robot. So you have to plug in your USB. We've got an updated program, so our 2.4 gig wirelesses don't work anymore, I don't think. But this does. Let's hope it's seamless. Plug it in here, plug it into the computer. Any USB port will do. Turn it on. You hear that? Then over here, we need to connect it. We've got to make sure this one says mBot. There's another little one there. Just delete it. Come up to Devices, or click the Add, and click on mBot. That's the guy you need to delete. We don't need him. So there he is. Hit Connect. COM4 is the one that works on mine. I had COM6 earlier. It didn't work. Hit Connect. Connected. That's a good sign. And this goes beep. Then we're going to make sure the settings are all up to date. We have to make sure it's got new firmware. It's been over a year since these things have been used. So we're going to update the little programs that are in here. Settings, update firmware, and just hit updates. And it'll do it. Go up real fast. I shouldn't be taking the time to let you watch this because I've already done it. So I'm just going to disconnect it. It does it though. You'll be fine. Okay. First button we need is a forever, because this program doesn't stop. We just want it to keep avoiding other things as long as possible. So we need the control section here and a forever button. While we're here, we're also going to need the if, then, else. So if it detects something, then it does the backup and turn. Otherwise, the else, it just keeps on going straight. We're going to put that inside the forever. Next, we need an operator. Operators fit nicely in this little hexagon section. And we're going to say if the distance is less. Now, it doesn't say the distance yet because we still have to put our sensing ultrasonic sensor in here. We want it less than 20. You can play with that number later if you want to. Okay, all the sensors, like the black line sensor or the transmitter or the ultrasonic, other ones are all in the sensing section. So let's go here. We're going to grab the ultrasonic sensor and we're going to slip it into the operator. Now notice you have to put the left side in, right side won't work, middle won't work. It's got to be the left side of the button, just the way it works. Drop it in there, stretches out around it. Now, if it detects something less than 20 centimeters away, because this is all in centimeters, then we want it to back up. That's an action. So here, we're going to have it back up for an amount of time. 50% power, you can leave that. We can change it if we want to, but 50% is good to start with. I like to have it back up for less. It doesn't need to go a whole second. Seconds longer than you would think. Back up for half a second, and we're going to have it turn right. So back up, and then turn right. Also, I'm going to go a little longer, 0.7 seconds. Otherwise, I just want to keep moving forward, moving forward, moving forward. So I'm going to say move forward, 50% power. Okay, the last button we need is event. And there's only one choice to start it. So that must be the one we use. Is the when it's on, it does this program. Okay, so our whole program's in there. It should work correctly. Make sure this little button here is clicked, the upload mode, and that we are connected. I believe we still are. Oh, guess not. Connect. Guess it disconnected on that update firmware. There. Now we're connected. Now we can upload with the upload button. Takes a couple seconds. It'll go beep when it's done. Ah, there it is. And it's ready to go. So if I go like this, you can see the wheels spinning. You know something's happening when something is too close. That's far. It's backing up and trying it out. If the numbers don't work, go back in, change your program, reconnect, and upload it again. Just give it another shot. Turn it off. All right, guys. give your first program a go.